Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. Very neat car, guys. Factory color combination, Ermine white with a black vinyl top and the black interior. You can see it's got a nice set of rally wheels on it. Those are 15x8s in the rear, 7s in the front. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. Car was restored about 5 years ago, it sounds like. Car's out of Tennessee. Good solid straight body. It is a, it's got a little cammed up 350 underneath the hood with a Muncie 4-speed. It's got the 10-bolt in the rear with a multi-leaf rear suspension. Sits good, drives good. A few little things you can kind of pick at on the car, but man, good straight driver. It's got the black nose stripe, of course, got the SS hood. Hideaway headlights do work. They're the old vacuum style, so they're a little slow, but they do work. So we just got a handprint on the bumpers. SS hood. So it sits up a little bit in the back. We'll see if we can adjust that out a little bit. Vinyl top's nice. It's got the correct seams in the back. Front and rear spoilers, power rear antenna. Car sits good, really hits the road good. Good looking set of TA rallies on it. Make sure in your trim. Front disc brakes, power steering. It's just a little overspray, I think there. The guys must got a little zealous with the wax there. Not the matching numbers engine. He said it's a 350, 325 horse, nice little cam to it. Holley dual feed 4-barrel Edelbrock intakes. Got a set of ceramic headers. Muncie 4-speed manual trans, power steering, power disc brakes. I guess this car was actually bought at Mecum in 2002. Matter of fact, that gentleman paid a lot more than we're asking for that car, so. Man, my guys just missed some little stuff there. Sorry, guys. I'm rushing them, though. I've got to head out and pick up another car, so. And we've got storms headed this way, so. Good looking car. Bunch of new stuff coming. Make sure you're keeping track of the website. ton of you guys have already done it, but make sure you're registering your email address on our website. That way you can get a notification every time I post a vehicle that's brand new to the site. Seams look pretty good. Pretty much standard, just black vinyl interior in it. Nice wood sport steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Bucket seat, center console, Hurst shifter. It is a tach and gauge car. 76,000, that's supposed to be your right miles. Factory tach and gauges, Retrosounds radio, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt rear end with a multi-leaf rear suspension. No big gear or anything like that. Jack with spares in here. That's an aftermarket power antenna. Does have a CD player mounted here in the rear. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Clean underneath. Good car. If you're looking for a good straight driver, I think you'll like this car. Not easy to find 4-speed Camaros in the RSSS version, what we're going to price this one at. Everybody loves the hideaway headlights. Seats look good. This company called B&R is a company who did the restoration on this car. Gauges are nice and clean. Again, very nice steering wheel. Nice little camera. Nice again. Everybody loves the hideaways. Very popular. Tach works. Parking brake works. Nice sound out the back here. Reverse lights work. Car's holding real good oil pressure. You can see all the gauges work. Radio, Nathan?
Can get it to work.
Okay.
Blower motor works.
Blower motor does. No on the radio, guys. Wipers are functional. Again, hideaways work. He said they're slow. Sometimes give them a little help and they'll, yeah. That was a problem with these things from the factory. Turn signals, Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that. You got your lights still on. Keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.